Welcome to my website 123.com. Hopefully you already visited our website and you watched our introductory video that explains a little bit about what we do, what our services are. Just to reiterate quickly, basically what we do is we set up your website for you. We put in a free content management system where you can update your website, you can add pages, you can add photos, you can add videos, and we provide the training videos that, like this one here, that explains exactly how to do that. So basically it empowers you to control, edit, and grow your own website and your own business. This video here touches upon the three steps in our service, how our service works. The first step is selecting a domain name. We'll click here, step 1. Now you may already have a domain name that you like and that you want to use for our service, and that's fine. We can build your website there. But let's say you don't, and let's say you want a domain name that that helps describe your services. What you're looking for when you're marketing on the web is you're looking for search engine traffic. You're looking for people who use Google and Yahoo that type in the keywords that describe your business to find your products and services. And what you want your business to be in the top 10 or top 40 of the searches of the listings for each search. So for example, let's say we're going to open up a bakery. We'll start general and we'll just type in the keyword bakery. And if you notice, these are paid ads here on the right and also some suggested services on top. But here in this area, in the center part of the web, center left, we see all the listings for bakery. Now the part in green is the actual URL or domain name of the websites that are coming up first. Now if you notice that a lot of the top websites already have the word bakery in it. So while using the word bakery in your domain name, or using your keyword, that describes your business, your domain name does not guarantee that your website will be in the top 10 in the search engine results. It's a good place to start. Now, one thing that that may change your mind, or you may want to rethink this, is if you already have an established business and people search for you by your brand name. If you have a brand name like Macy's or Sears, you would want to use that in your domain name. But let's say we'll open up a new bakery, and let's get a little bit more specific, and let's say this bakery is in Odessa, Texas. So let's type in bakery and then Odessa, Texas. Alrighty, first Google gives you a map of the locations of the bakery there. This is another reason why it's important to be listed in the search engines. If Google finds your website, they'll go ahead and usually put you number 1 here for the bakery listings. Like this this first listing right here. It has its own website. The other bakeries in Odessa, Texas do not. Alrighty, well, let's search for a few domain names that might be good for this bakery. Well, the product or the service is bakery, and the location is Odessa, Texas. So those are the perfect keywords right there to use for this business. So we'll go back to our keyword searcher, our domain name availability checker, and let's type in bakery Odessa, Texas, and we hit go, and there you have it. BakeryOdessaTexas.com is available. Let's try to shorten it a little bit. Maybe Bakery Odessa is available. Okay, Bakery Odessa is available. That's great. Let's try Odessa Bakery. Maybe that's available too. And Odessa Bakery is available too. Maybe it sounds a little bit better worded that way. So let's say all these were taken. What could you do? Well, you can add like best Odessa Bakery, or you can add top Odessa Bakery, or you can find some other keywords to put into the domain name and try different extensions. Try to be creative. Let's say we want to know more search terms that people use when they're looking for a bakery. What you can do is you can go to Google's keyword tool. Let's type in Google keyword tool, and once again, keyword means the words that people use to best describe your business, that they type into the search engine block to find your business, your product, your services. And these are the words that we want to target not only in our domain name, but in our website when we construct a website, and also in our text, in our photos, in our videos. We want to stay on subject and give people essentially what they're looking for. Alright, well, let's search and let's go to, okay, here it is, the first one, Google AdWords keyword tool. So let's click on that, and we'll type in bakery, and let's type in the secret code. This is done so people don't put automatic robots on it that spams Google search and would bring down the service. Okay, we'll hit get keyword ideas. And here we have some keywords. Italian bakery, bakery delivery, gourmet bakery, bakery shops, etc. Now if you want them in order, right here it has approximate average search volume. This is the average search per month over the past few years. So if you click on this, it sorts out the order. Oops, excuse me, I clicked it too many times. Internet's a little slow. Okay, here it searches the order from top to bottom of how many searches per month. So we see over 500,000 people typed in the word bakery into Google and searched for it last month. And then as we go down the line, we see how many searches are here. Alright, and if after this list of related words with bakery, Google has at the bottom of this list, scroll down, okay, here at the bottom it has additional keywords to consider, and these might give you more ideas of what other keywords you can use, not only in your domain name but more importantly in your text and in other places where we'll show you during our search engine optimization videos that we have for our members. Alrighty, well let's go back to our website. So let's say we've chosen Odessa Bakery. We'll go to the next step, step 3, select a web template. Here we have a listing of all kinds of